Hello everyone. I had a little time before I hit the lake today, and I wanted to talk to you about integrating other items such as your trolling motor, point one antenna, and so forth to your depth finders. And the way you do that is with the NMEA 2000. And this video is in collaborations with my good friends at Parts View. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what we're talking about. First of all, the way you connect the NMEA 2000 is you need to create a backbone. And by doing that, you have these joints like this, and you connect each joint together. Just like this. Is real simple. And on each end, you should have a terminal to close off that end. Now, this comes with these joints, a cord, and it also has a power cord. Now, the power cord is not shown here because I already have mine connected and it's been connected for a while. But with this backbone, this allows you to connect the power cord, your depth finder, your trolling motor, and whatever other items you have. You would add joints to it and connect those together. And what do they do? It allows me to run my trolling motor right from my depth finder. And I can run my anchor mode, my heading lock, and so forth. And also, I have my point one antenna attached, which allows me to have pinpoint accuracy. If you want to integrate the NMEA 2000 with your depth finder, your point one antenna, your trolling motor, and other items, go to partsview.com. And while you're there, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. So check us out, NMEA 2000. That will help integrate all your devices on your boat. Until next time, thank you.